afternoon, members of Strathfield Golf Club. I'm going to give you a rundown of a few projects that we've got on the golf course at the moment. Firstly, here on the 12th green out of Strathfield, the PoaCure now starting to take effect. The report that went out a month ago will be out again later this week, just explaining why we're trying to get rid of the POA. But as you see on the greens over the next few weeks, they're starting to really yellow off the pole, which will make it quite distinct what's POA and what's bent. And in time, the pole will decline and will die. The plan is to get the greens back to proper bent grass greens to give us a better putting surface all year round. Just an update now on the irrigation system. We'll postpone for 7 weeks due to the weather, so we've now got back at it with the contract for the irrigation system. We're doing the mains on the 15th now, which is similar to what we did on 9 and 18. So the mains will run the whole way up between 15 and 17, all the way up towards the 15th green and 16th tee. It'll branch across here these tee piece, back down the 12th fairway. That'll be all the mains for this half of the river. Then every 20 minutes we'll run laterals off these, which will have the sprinkler heads in them for the fairways. All this will then have to be wired up back to the satellite system, which then goes back to the computer so we can control it. When this is finished, we'll have full irrigation of all the holes, all parts of the fairways on holes 12, 15, 16, 17, and then we can start the drainage work behind that. So behind me on the 17th hole, we have all this green waste, which is from clippings from along the golf course. In the next coming weeks, we'll get a contract in to chip all this up. This will be chipped into mulch and we'll use it back on the course guard and then recycle it all. Further up on the 17th, you start to see piles of dirt being dumped. This is just all the spill from the irrigation work, and there'll be more from the drainage work. We'll use this to reshape this area and turn it into a turf nursery.